What am I gonna do about all these weeds? What's going on? It's Samantha from 40 Acres of Clueless, the channel where we figure things out one project at a time. And today what I'm trying to figure out is if the Garden Weasel Step and Twist Weed Popper is going to be a good tool for me to use to get the weeds out of this blueberry patch. That's the mission. So we're gonna start by going ahead and taking a look at the tool itself. The shaft from the step pad to the handles is 33.5 inches long, and then the handle itself is 1.5 inches in diameter. These two little spikes are each 3 inches long, and how you would use this is to depress the spikes into the ground. Then you give this one full revolution and pull up. It's supposed to have a weed plug in here, and then to get rid of it, you push this plunger to push out the weed plug. So we're going to test this out and find out if the Weasel Weed Popper is a winner or if it actually is just a weasel. So I've got a bucket for collection here, and I'm going to try this out initially on just some grass that's growing. So here's some grass here. Push it down, step on it. Now we get one complete revolution. Looks like the grass has come up. Let's see if it pops out. That is a nifty little tool. Little sprout of a tree. Gonna spin up a couple times for this one. Hey, look at that. Not only is this tool super easy to use, but the reason that I specifically got it is because I've been having a lot of back problems lately. And bending over really bothers my back. So if I can limit how much I need to bend, that is definitely a big plus for me. If you have back pain and you still want to garden, this tool could be a lifesaver for you. It also saves not only just bending, but also having to kneel. So if you're prone to getting bursitis in your knees after kneeling for a long time, you might want to consider the Garden Weasel Weed Popper. Pop the weeds, not your back. Well, after using the Weasel Weed Popper for just a few minutes, I'm sold. This is definitely a tool that's going to make it into my everyday weeding arsenal, especially for areas out here where the weeds tend to be a little bit more sporadic and less thick because of the mulch that I've laid down. I'm really impressed with this product. When I bought this thing, it was only like $25 on Amazon, and I was kind of expecting a dog. I wasn't sure for that price if I was going to get anything that was going to work, and in fact, the warden told me to send it back before I even opened it. But I'm really glad that I did, because this is going to be my new weeding tool for my blueberry patch. I definitely recommend the Garden Weasel Weed Popper. I'm going to put links in the description below. You want to go check it out for yourself. They actually make a few other garden tools that I might check out after my experience with this one, because it's nothing but positive. Catch you on the next one.